Yo, what's up everybody? We're in Junction, Texas. Today is day 13 of the Arcesadventures 50 state road trip, and we're here at South Llano State Park. Here's our parking spot. Nice paved road, pretty long. Probably fit like a freaking 40-footer here. So we're staying at site number 21, and here's the power. All right, looks like we got 30 amp and 20 amp. Damn fly. And on this side, we got the water. All right, let's go check out the rest of the campsite. Right here is our picnic table, and we also got some shade. And over this way, this is your grill right here. You got your fire pit, change the levels. Not so hot. Bring it down closer to the fire. The food is hotter, you know. That's it, barbecue 101. Let's go out to the river. Look at all these beautiful, whoa. Damn, Mother Nature girl, you looking good. Perfect right here. Rain's taking a long time in the van. There's either two things. She's taking a big fat dump in there, or she's gonna complain about how hard it was to dig out our shoes. I think it might be both.
Got your slipper. Took me a long time to get my shoes. Also your shoes.
I told you guys, either she's gonna take a dump or she's gonna be looking for the shoes. And I know she took a dump, so it was both, like I said. Dude, this is an awesome time. It's about that time. Time for a restroom tour. We got 2 sinks. We got 1 urinal. We got 2 toilets. And over here, we got 2 showers. And then we got a hand drying station. I hope you guys enjoy your tour. Come take a dump with us anytime. We had a great day. We swam in the river, took showers. Now I'm drinking some purple drink, cooking some corn and some shrimp.
The heck?
All right, I got 2 tacos, a Hot Pocket, and shrimp in there. What else you want? Check out that purple drink. Actually, this is just a great popsicle. We just blended it up. Day 13 in the books. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.